Welcome everyone to BTT 151, Fundamentals of Electricity. I'd like to go over your Unit 1 homework assignment. So question 1, water is a compound, not an element. That's correct. Water, H2O, is made up of 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. Question 2, the outer shell of an atom is known as the nuclear shell. Well, we refer to this as the nuclear or the valence shell. Remember the outermost orbital. Question 3. Matter is any substance that has both mass and occupies space. That's true. That's the formal definition of matter. Question 4. How many times smaller is the electron compared to the proton? The electron is very, very small, 1/1000th the size of the proton. Question number 5. Which of the following is a correct statement of the law of charge? Is the law of electrostatic attraction Coulomb's law? Like charges repel, unlike charges attract. Question 6. Which branch of physics has redefined the force that keeps the electron from falling into the nucleus of an atom? That would be quantum mechanics or quantum physics. Question number 7. How many valence electrons are generally contained in materials only used for conductors? 1 to 2 electrons. Question 8. How does current flow under electron flow theory? Remember, we had 2 approaches. One was called conventional current flow. The other is called electron flow. Simply think of the electron as a negatively charged particle, so current flow is going to leave the negative post of the battery, flow through the circuit and through the load, and return to the positive post of the battery. Question 9. It is theorized that electrons, protons, and neutrons are actually formed from a combination of smaller particles. What are these particles called? Quarks. Question 10. The most common material used in the production of electronic components or semiconductor material would be silicon and germanium. Question 11. What type of materials are neither good conductors nor good insulators? Elemental semiconductor materials. Question 11. Materials that are made from atoms containing 7 or 8 valence electrons, we classify that as an insulator. Question 13. Which is the best conductor of electricity? One of the precious metals is silver. Question 14. Electrons located in the outer shell of an atom are called valence electrons. Question 15. Atoms have a set number of electrons that can be contained in one shell. It's called the electron orbit or orbital. Question 16. The blank and proton combine to form the nucleus of an atom. Please remember that within the nucleus reside the proton, the positively charged body, and the neutron, which has a 0 or neutral charge. And then the last question, question 17. Blank is the basic building block of the universe. The atom is the basic building block. Thank you.